Makmak. Ayan, so Makmak, that's short for Makaluskas. From Makaluskas Fever, that's northern part.
Nainis na yung isa. Nakain niya. Ka dyan, pulutan ka. Pulutan ka, Maylid.
Traditional experience.
Grabe yung ipon. Dito sila kasi kung yung bata. Hindi naman sila nakakakita. Isye, nasaan yung bata? Dali. Ayun, dali mo nagagawin sila. Sakay niya dito ka.
Yes, and but actually, during daytime, usually dapat tulog sila. And don't worry, si Makmak as all Manasa group is less aggressive than the saltwater. So, pakipakos na sa tao. Ayan, actually, ito pong crocodiles na nasa group. So, these are the adult size of Philippine freshwater crocodile. So, adult from 10 to 20 years old. And, ayun, during daytime talaga, parang statue lang. Okay, pero, active sila.
Gracie?
Mami, yun nakangangamba rin.
Asan ka anak sa
Nandito kay na daddy.
Usually here, chicken or pork. But any kind of meat like this, pwede pa. Ay, wala. Ayan yung crocodile naman na nasa right side. That one is a pig also. So his name is Valentino. Okay, yes po. So Valentino, because huli last February 14 this year, Valentine's Day. And Valentino is around 16 feet, was the mated age, 50 years old. Their lifespan is up to 100 years. Yun po, sir, is based on study. Wala po naman talaga. Dito po sa amin, dito po tayo sa